Hello friends. In this video, I'm going to discuss about one of the most important news which recently came into the market. And the news is that on July 17, HDFC Bank, the largest private sector bank in India, has announced its financial results, revealing a significant increase in their net profit. So you know that the HDFC Bank is one of the largest private banks in the India. And after the merger of the HDFC Bank and HDFC Limited, the stock holds so much power in the stock market. So it is very important for us to know about the quarter one result of the HDFC Bank. So if we move further, then we can see the quarter first earning of the HDFC Bank. So the overall profit in the quarter first financial year 2024, the profit is almost 11,951 crores. And if we compare it from the previous year quarter first of financial year 2023, then at that time, the profit was 9,196 crores. So there is tremendous growth in their profit if we compare it year on year. So there is almost 30% of the growth year on year. And if we talk about NII profit in the quarter first, it is almost 23,599 crores. And if we compare it from the previous year, then it was 9,481 crores. So there is almost 21.1% profit, if we compare it year on year. So as you can see, the growth is tremendous. And obviously, this result had sent out every expectation of every news channel who did the poll of the results. And if I show you that there is a poll of one of the most famous news channel, CNBC TV 18, they did the poll, and the result of the poll was that they predicted that the overall profit is going to be around 11,433.5 crores. But the profit which the SDFC have announced is almost 11,951 crores. So there is a growth in the numbers, not so much, but still the profit is more than their expectations. And if we compare the profit, the standalone NII profit, so the prediction was almost 23,922.6 crores. And the profit that company has announced is almost 23,599.1 crores. So the number is led, but still it stands out the every expectations of the traders, of the investors, and also the shareholders of the company. So now if I move further, then we can see the gross NPA profit. So gross NPA profit of the quarter first financial year 2024 is almost 19,054 crores. And the prediction was of almost around 18,019 crores. So obviously it is more than they have predicted. So yeah, it is good. And in the below, you can see the same numbers in the percentage. So now, if I move further, so you can see the net NPA profit, which was exactly 4,776 crores, and the numbers which was predicted by the news channels was 4,368.4 crores. So obviously, numbers are more than they have predicted. So it means the numbers are very good, and the stock of the SDFC Bank obviously have so much effect of the result, which we are going to see in further slides. And in below, you can see the same numbers in the percentage. So now if you move to the stock of the SDFC Bank, so you can see that there is a tremendous growth in their stock. And obviously the result was good. So stock has to touch their peak. So the stock is trading at their day high. And we can say that the stock is going to be profitable for so many other traders who are still holding the stock of the HDFC Bank. So this is the main news that I want to convey you about the quarter first result of the HDFC Bank. Hope you able to understand that. And if I give you the overall review of this video, that the results are very good. Results are more than the expected numbers. And obviously, these numbers going to have big impact on the stock of the HDFC Bank, not today, but also on the upcoming days. So it is recommended. So it is a recommendation from me and from I think it is recommended by so many other analysts to buy the stock of the HDFC Bank and to hold it for a little bit a longer time. So that's all of my today's video. Thank you.